And what came to mind as I was walking through the park was that nature connected leadership, what nature shows me, is non-judgmental, compassionate growth. And what I mean by non-judgmental is that as I'm looking at each of these trees, they're each different. They're not, cookie cutter versions of each other. Some of them are pines, some of them are spruces, some of them are, different kinds of trees, elms, for example, the kind of trees here that we have in Colorado. But they're not comparing themselves to each other. They're not comparing each other to like, oh, this tree is taller than I am, so I'm like, I need to be as tall as that tree. It's like, no, it's non-judgmental. It's compassionate. Each tree knows that I am fulfilling and embodying, my perfect version of myself. And that's like such a challenging thing of not criticizing or judging ourselves. And that's what we're going to get into in a bit in our session next week, is around that, around judgments and perceptions, and how we can project ourselves, or what we see in the world, and like, oh, I'm supposed to be like that person or this person. It's like, no, you're supposed to be your unique version of you. And my hope is that you use this course as an opportunity to honor your internal guidance system, that the answers to your vision are within you and nowhere else. And that's what I see as nature connected leadership, along with everything Michael just shared in such great detail there. But it's just that simple way of being and way of knowing that we have everything we need inside of us. It's just about empowering and attuning to it. And so we're going to get into some of this deep listening, which is one of the most powerful gifts that we can give ourselves and others, is how to deeply listen.